Busy dads, getting a workout in can be tough. With a little one in the house, it can be even harder to make time to train. The kids are all over you, and while you might love the attention, it can be hard to make time to take care of yourself. Have a gym membership? Maybe one of you will make it at 10 p.m., but then your sleep is jacked up and the next day is a wash. It can seem like a madhouse at times. Instead of seeing this as an obstacle, let them be the kids they're supposed to be and train yourself to handle it. Adapt your training to snack sized efforts that you can do anywhere. Keep getting better, keep getting stronger, get more resilient, and keep them on their toes when they see that daddy is building himself up to keep 3 steps ahead of them. With optimized training, you'll receive daily workouts designed with the busy parent in mind. You can do them pretty much anywhere. They're effective and nuanced for you. They're designed to make you tougher so that when your kids start doing what they do, you're ready for it and then some. Now, a word of caution. Some side effects of this program may include increased energy, a decrease in body fat, increase in sex drive, and a willingness to adventure. Warning, undertaking this program may make your life even better than it was before. Follow for more tips to optimize your life, and we'll see you out there.
Optimize with Philip Levi. Download the app now.